I'm dedicating the Whitley and Chill Season 3 backyard playlist to my old man. Rest in peace. Let's get started. Hi, guys. Welcome back. Season 3. We made it. What's going on? Got the fountain out. Hope it's okay. As for the grass, looks nice. Might need some fertilizer. We'll see. What about the plants? I told you you can move them. Remember? They'll be fine. Don't worry. You can do it. There's nothing to panic about. Big project, guys. Chain link fence. It's gotta go. Let's see if I can do it. I'll try to center the post where the plants are. Keep your fingers crossed. Oh yeah, this one looks good too. I would like to level the yard. We'll see about that. Here's the star of the show though. My brute lawnmower. I'll be doing stuff along here too. All right. Man, I wish I could control the weather. The weather is probably the biggest obstacle you'll face when you're doing this. Looks like it wants to come down real hard. Can't control it though. Sometimes it's too hot, it's too cold, raining, snow. We get it all here. I need to hurry up. This cut isn't really about maintenance. I'm trying to find some damage or trouble spots in the yard. You know what? I think this year I'll allow the clippings to discharge from the side. That way the nutrients can go back in the ground. It always helps. You know, when your grass is wet, you might want to rake it, because when you cut it while it's wet, it doesn't get an even cut. So keep that in mind. You know I wouldn't be caught dead out here without my Works Trimmer Edger 20 volt. I highly recommend you get one if you don't have it. Very easy to deal with, no gas. What we got going on? Got some weeds, that's normal. This is what it looks like. This is where I'm at. Got a long way to go. I want you guys to remember how it looks now, because by the fall, it's going to look a whole lot different. I hope anyway. All right, let's do something about this fountain. Since I'm out here, I might as well. Think about it. It's one less thing I have to do later, because later on, I got plenty to do. Don't forget the rose bushes. It's amazing how big they got. I remember like it was yesterday when I planted them. Now look, running out of room. But that's okay. This is what I wanted to see. Okay, fountain's up, water is in it, it's ready to go. It's always good. What else we got going on? Rose bushes. Amazing. Table still intact. That's what you want to see. The other rose bush. Beautiful. As for the grass, to be continued. Well, you know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.